Want to lose weight, feel better, and have more energy without giving up your favorite foods? Intermittent fasting might be the simple trick you need. In this video, we will break it all down in plain, easy words so anyone can start. Let's unlock the power of fasting. Intermittent fasting is a simple way to eat. You don't need to buy special food or count calories. You just eat at certain times and fast. Don't eat during other times. It has become very popular because it helps people lose weight, feel healthy, and have more energy. This guide will explain intermittent fasting in easy steps. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not about what you eat, it's about when you eat. Instead of eating all day, you eat during a specific time window. The rest of the time, you do not eat anything, only water, tea, or black coffee. It gives your body time to rest and burn fat. How does it work? When you eat, your body uses the food for energy. If you are always eating, your body doesn't get a chance to use stored fat. But when you fast, your insulin levels go down. This helps your body burn fat for energy. This is why many people lose weight with intermittent fasting. Some popular fasting methods. There are many ways to do intermittent fasting. Here are the most common. Number 1, 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and eat within 8 hours window. Example: eat from 12 pm to 8 pm, then fast until the next day at 12 pm. Number 2, 14-10 method. Fast for 14 hours and eat within 10 hours. This is easier for beginners. Example: eat from 10 am to 8 pm. Number 3, eat, stop, eat. You fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Example: eat dinner at 7 pm and then don't eat again until 7 pm the next day. Number 4, 5:2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days a week. For 2 days, eat only 500 to 600 calories. There are some benefits of intermittent fasting. Many people love intermittent fasting because of its benefits. For example, weight loss. Your body burns fat during fasting. More energy. Many people feel less tired. Better focus. Fasting can help clear your mind. Healthy blood sugar. It may lower your blood sugar levels. Heart health. Some studies show it may lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol. What can you drink during a fasting? During fasting hours, do not eat food, but you can drink water, still or sparkling. Black coffee, no sugar or cream. Green or herbal tea, no sugar. Avoid juices, soda, and milk. They break the fast. What to eat when you break your fast? When it is time to eat, choose healthy food. For example, vegetables like spinach, broccoli, carrots. Protein like chicken, fish, eggs. Whole grains like brown rice, oats. Healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, avocado, fruits like berries, apples, bananas. Avoid too much sugar or fried food. They can make you feel tired or bloated. There are some tips for beginners. Here are some helpful tips if you are just starting. For example, number 1, start slow. Try 12 hours of fasting, then build up to 14 or 16. Number 2, drink water. It helps you stay full and avoid headaches. Number 3, stay busy. Fasting is easier then you are not thinking about food. Number 4, listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or very tired, eat something healthy. Number 5, be patient. Your body needs some to adjust. Don't rush. Who should not try fasting? Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Don't try it if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you have diabetes or blood sugar problems, you have an eating disorder, you take a medicine that must be taken with food. Always talk to your doctor before starting fasting. Does it really work? Yes, sir. For many people it does, but it is not magic. You still need to eat healthy food and avoid overeating. Fasting is a tool. It helps your body work better. When used right, it can help you lose weight, feel more focused, and improve your health. Intermittent fasting is a simple way to improve your health. It doesn't cost money, it doesn't need special foods, it just needs time and practice. Start slow, stay consistent, and listen to your body. Over time, you may find that you eat less, feel better, and have more energy every day.